Good morning, friends. Now, last class we had already discussed all the formula of logarithm. Now we will discuss some sums based on that. I hope you have already practiced all the formula. Class 8 also we had done logarithm. So we will start from there. Now here is a sums mixed of simplification and prove that. This question may be asked like simplify or find the value of, then equal to 1 will not be there, or it may be asked prove that log 27 by 243 with respect to base 2 plus 5 log 25 by 24 with respect to base 2 plus 3 log 27 by 80 with respect to base 2 plus 7 log 16 by 15 with respect to base 2 equal to 1. So if they ask simplify, then this equal to 1 will not be there, and if prove that whatever that this basic form of the sums, each prove that this equal to 1, then what we'll do, we'll take LHS. Here we'll write left hand side LHS, and we'll have to prove 1. So what we'll do, first of all the, you know that power becomes multiple, so all the multiples will take it as a power. So you see what we'll do, log 27 by 243 with respect to base 2 plus 5 is there, it will go here, log 25 by 24 with respect to base 2, and this power 5 will become as power. So log 27 by 80 with respect to base 3, to the power 3 with respect to base 2, and plus log 16 by 15 to the power 7 with respect to base 2. So this line is clear. Now you see all power, multiple has become power. So what we'll do now, you see the operation log this plus plus plus, all the logs are in plus form and base are same. So last class I told, or class 8 also we had studied that if base are same, then we can do any operation. If base are different, we cannot do any sort of operation in logarithm. So here base are same, and we know that in case of multiplication log becomes plus. So we'll think in the reverse way. Log plus 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 is there, so all will become multiple. So what we will write? Log, we will write like that, 27 by 243 into 25 by 24 whole to the power 5 into 27 by 80 whole to the power 3 into 16 by 15 whole to the power 7. Now if something is cancelled, we can cancel it, or you may not cancel also. We will cancel to simplify the thing. If you see here, 27 is cancelled by 3, so 3 9s are 27, then 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, again 1 and 9, so it becomes 1 by 9. We can easily, this is not cancelled, again this is also not cancelled, this is also not cancelled. So what we will write, then log and base 2, don't forget to write the base, because generally base are 10, here base is 2, so write it. Now what we will do, we will go with the basics. So 1 and 9 is what? 3 square, we will write 3 square. 1 by 1, you see. Now 25 is what? 5 to the power 2, and already 5 as a power is existing, so it is whole, so power becomes multiple, so 5 to the power 2 into 5. Then 27 we can write 3 to the power 3, and already 3 power is existing, so it will become in multiple form. Same way 16 2 to the power 4, don't write 4 square, always go with the basic, always go with the basics. So 2 to the power 4 into 7. So all the numerators we did, now we'll come to the denominator. 24 we can write 8 into 3, and 8 is what? 2 cube into 3, so 24 directly will write 2 cube into 3, and the previous power is there 5, so we'll write this one into 5, and here 5. The same way 80 will write 16 into 5, and 16 is what? 2 to the power 4 into 5. Always go to the basics. So 2 to the power 4, and already existing power is 3, so into 3, and then 5 existing power 3, so we'll write it. Then 15 is what? 3 into 5, and then power 7, so power 7. So now what you find? All the basics are, all the numbers or numericals are in their basic form. So here we will write log base 2, here 1 into 5 to the power 10 into 3 to the power 9 into 2 to the power 14, down 3 square into 2 to the power 15 into 2 to the power 4 3s are 12 into 5 cube into 3 to the power 7 into 5 to the power 7. So let us check once again. 1 5 square, then 27 3 cube, and then 2 to the power 4 into 7. So 4 7 are 28, not 14. It's okay. So now we'll omit the first two lines, and then you see log. We'll pick up one by one. 1 into, we'll pick up 5. So 5 to the power 10, and in case of division, power of the same base are subtracted. So here you see 5 to the power 3, and here 5 to the power 7, and both are in denominator place. So minus 3 minus 7. Same way we'll pick up 3. So 3 to the power 9. No more 3 is here at the numerator place. Now see there at denominator place. Here 3 square and 3 to the power 7. So minus 2 minus 7. Both the power will be subtracted. Then we'll go to the 2 to the power 28 minus 15 minus 12 with respect to base 2. So this line is clear. Now you see log 1 into anything is whatever the existing number is. So we will not write 1. 5 to the power 10 minus 10 0, 3 to the power 9 minus 9 0, then 2 to the power 28 minus 15 minus 12 minus 27. So 28 minus 27, 2 to the power 1 with respect to base 2. So what we got, if we know in indices form, if the power of any base is 0, its value is 1. So 1 into 2 with respect to base 2. So log 2 with respect to base 2 is equal to how much? 1. Theorem is there. Log of a number with respect to base same number is equal to 1. We will take another sum. You see, prove that 3 log a plus b is equal to log a plus b plus 2 log a plus log 1 plus 2b by a plus b square by a square. Now if you see carefully, you find that taking RHS is better to prove it. So what we will do, we will take RHS. We will not take LHS. So log a plus b plus 2 log a plus log 1 plus 2b by a plus b square by a square. Now the same way what we did in the previous way, first we will check if any multiple is there, we will take it as a power. So here 2 is there, so log a plus b plus log a square plus log, we will take LCM here, a square, so it will become a square plus, we divide a by a square, a into 2b, 2ab plus b square. Now if you see, there is no base here. If base is not there, that means same base is there. We can assume anything. Generally we assume 10, or you can take x, no need to write. Now what log becomes log this plus log this plus log this. So log a plus b plus log a square plus log. Now here it becomes a formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to what? A plus b the whole square, and down will write a square. Now you see here all becomes log plus log plus log, so we'll write log here, and you know that plus becomes multiple, so it will be a plus b into a square into a plus b the whole square by a square. Now a square cancel, so what we got finally, log a plus b into a plus b the whole square, a plus b the whole cube, and you know that power becomes multiple, so 3 log a plus b proved. So this way, if you know all the formula, practice the formula and just go step by step and find that the sums are very easy. So practice it. I will put the next video day after tomorrow. Thank you.